Hello everybody, this is Sonam Kalwania and I'm in the final year of my Masters from Indian Institute of Technology Bhubaneswar, and I'm currently working in the laboratory of organometallics and catalysis. So in this video I'm going to show you how I search my research paper for my master project. So the people who don't know what a master project is, so I just want to give a small hint that it is a kind of research which we have to do in our final year so that we can able to get an hint that is we are fit for doing further research or not. A master project is important for those people who want to do PhD from India as well as from abroad, because in abroad most of the people or most of the professors are not taking any entrance examination. They just want to check a kind of research experience which we are having. And in India, after qualifying NET and GATE examination, we have to give interview, and interview they ask about our research experience. And the people, those who want to do a job in the pharmaceutical companies, so they also ask about the kind of research experience which we are having. Doing master project need to have a skill of finding research paper also. So basically I prefer three things to search my paper, that is Google Scholar, Sci-Hub and SciFinder. So let's move toward the screen of my laptop and I will show you how I find my paper with the combination of all these three. First I start with Google Scholar because it is the easiest way to find our papers. For that we just need to write Google Scholar in Google. Here you will find space to write something related to your project. Suppose my project is based on copper and NHC complex, so I will write over there. So all the papers related to my topic are shown over there. Click on any one of the related paper. So now we are having name of that paper, DOI number and a short abstract to get a hint what kind of information does this paper contain. To get complete paper, click on that PDF button. So this is our required paper. Also you can simply download this paper from download button. It is also possible that sometime you may not get PDF option directly. For that you just need to copy the name of the paper, open new tab and type Sci-Hub. It is a website which provide you paper free of cost. Just directly copy either the name or DOI number of the paper and open that. To use Sci-Hub, you already need to know either the name or DOI number of that paper. Now you can simply download this paper from the corner download button. Now moving towards SciFinder, you need to create an account which I have already created, and I can also make a detailed video on that if required. SciFinder provides you multiple options to search your topic. For example, name of author, name of company, journal, tags and DOI number. By knowing the molecular formula, structure or properties, we can also search. Suppose I know the structure, so click on chemical structure, click to add it and draw the structure which you know. Some basic structures are already given over there. For example, 6-membered ring, 5-membered ring, hydrogen, carbon, sulfur, oxygen, single bond, double bond, triple bond, etc. After drawing the completed structure, click on search button. Here you will find different structures related to your structure. Click on the appropriate one. To know the chemical reaction of this compound, click on Get Reaction. Below every reaction, link of the paper is given. Click on any of the paper link which you like. Copy the name of that paper and just directly paste that name into Sci-Hub. Now you can simply download this paper from the corner download button. If you find this video really informative for you, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any query regarding this, you can comment me in the comment box.